Welcome to our demo of Vasion's output automation solution. I'm Ken Mickelson and I'm a product manager for Vasion, and I'm excited to take a look at what we have to offer for you. We work with applications like enterprise resource planning software, such as SAP, or electronic medical record systems like Epic or Oracle Health, and we take output from those systems and make sure that they end up where they need to be, when they need to be there, in the format they need to be in. We are able to combine this solution with our overall cloud-native platform, where we're able to work together with our existing print solution as well as our newer automate solutions to create a holistic enterprise platform that allows you to accomplish the requirements that you're looking to fulfill. So one of the other powerful benefits of output automation is that it is part of the overall Vasion platform. So when you are managing your front-end printing, then it is managed from a single pane of glass. And in addition to that, when you want to automate different behavior, then you're able to do that with our tools as well. So with rules and routing, you're able to define different rules that are going to be watched for as documents pass through your output services. And then based on what we see with that traffic, then we will make decisions and perform behavior based on that. As far as how you would create a rule, there's really three parts to it. The first is the trigger, which is the event that we're watching for to determine if we should check for a rule. And that could be something as simple as a print job being received by output, or in the case of the example we're going to use, the print job failed when we tried to print it. And so I can just give this rule a name. In this case, I'm going to give it a descriptive one where we're saying that we're going to automatically redirect this print job if it fails. For this case, I want it to specifically only do this behavior if a print job fails to this printer. So my condition is going to be that specific printer. And then lastly, I can define the behavior that I want to apply if this condition is matched. And so I want it to redirect a print job to this backup printer. And maybe in addition to that, I also want it to send a redirect notification email to the user who submitted the job so they know that their job has arrived at a new device. So I can save that. And that's really all it is. At this point, the rule is activated, it's ready to go. And if we see that behavior apply, then we'll perform it. This is just one example of what you can do with rules. There's many different actions that are available. Can duplicate a job and send it to many printers at once, or making changes to the print job, or deciding to not print it if we need to, or as I mentioned, it connects to our overall business process automation, so we can also send that file to be archived so that you can refer back to it if there's ever any auditing and any similar things. So it's a really powerful way to automate the different aspects of your business that need to be. So the last thing that I wanted to share with you was the output console, and this allows you to quickly see the activity that's happening on your actual output services, as well as information about the printers that you're printing to. On the left-hand side, we have the tree structure that you're used to seeing inside of Vasion Print, where you can make any combination of folders or printers that you would like to select. And based on that selection, you're only going to see the information that relates to what you have based on your selection. In the Printers tab here, we're able to see the status of the printers that you have in your environment. And there's some high-level information that you're able to quickly view, as well as the queue status. So this is the status on the software side of what's happening on the output automation services themselves. And then we have the printer status. We're able to see the status of the physical printer based on SNMP. If I highlight this little device here, I'm able to see some more detailed information about the printer. So I can get its name, serial number, as well as the operational status, which is down. So maybe this printer is experiencing some issues, and maybe we want to take action on that. So if that's causing problems, there's a couple of things that we can do. We can go ahead and choose to either pause any jobs being sent to this printer. So maybe there's a technician that's actively working on it. We don't want to just keep trying to send jobs to it while they're doing so. So we could either do that, or we could redirect any print jobs sent to this device to a different one. So I'll go ahead and choose this. And there we go, it's changed that status there. So the other view is the print job view. And this is a near real-time view. So as print jobs are sent, we're going to see this populate with new jobs. And based on that, we can get the information we need about the health of our environment. But in addition, we can also take action similar to how we did on the printer side. So for this job, if I wanted to retry it, I could go ahead and just go and try to send the job again. Or I could also go and redirect it to a different printer. So I could go ahead and do that. Hit done, and it's going to redirect. So that's a quick view of what the output automation solution has to offer. If any of that seems of interest to you, then please reach out to us or feel free to go to our website and request a demo. We'd love to speak to you more.